Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the recommended section from Windows 11. As you can see, if you're using Windows 11, of course you've noticed that when you open up the start menu, you have a pinned apps section and a recommended section, and this recommended section received a lot of backlash from users that are using Windows 11, and everyone since the beginning of Windows 11 wanted to have this removed, but Microsoft is still not providing us with an official way that will help us remove this recommended section. In this video I'm going to show a method created by a Reddit user who uses a batch file that will remove this recommended section in Windows 11 only in the dev channel. So pay attention, this is working only in the dev channel. In the article down below, you're going to have the link to this Reddit post where you have a lot of info about how he created this script, how to run it, potential problems that you can have, and how to undo the changes. But of course in this video I'm going to show you the most important things, how to run it and how to undo the changes if you want. And of course you're going to have down below on his post the code that is needed in order to create the batch file. Now let's begin with the video. First of all, we're going to have to download the debugging tools for Windows. We're going to have this link as well in the article down below in the description. Just scroll down a bit and then click on download the installer. Click on it to open it. You can select the path where you want this to be installed, then click on next. Here you can allow Microsoft to collect insights for the Windows kits if you want, but I think the best option is no. Then click on next, click on accept then. And here, as you can see, you have all of these because we have a software development kit here, but I'm gonna uncheck everything except the debugging tools for Windows, which is the second option. And that's all we need, only 500 megabytes, and then click on install. Then click on yes on user account control and wait for the installation process to be finished. So if you'll read that Windows guy Reddit post, you'll see that the batch file that he created is based on the debugging tools for Windows. After the installation is finished, you can click on close. Next up, you're going to have to go on the Reddit post and copy all the code here and then create a new notepad. In the notepad, paste the code, then click on file, save as, select desktop for example, and here you can name it script.bat and then press enter or click on save. So as you can see, we have the recommended section here in Windows 11. We're gonna just remove it by double clicking on the script. We're gonna see that some CMD window will open up, and after a few seconds it will close, and now we will see that the recommended section from Windows 11 is completely removed. This is really nice. I think this is what users asked for, but now a few mentions that I need to make is that this is not really a safe method of doing this, so you're doing this at your own risk. I don't recommend doing it on your main computer. And also, starting with the next dev channel builds, maybe Microsoft will work around this script and maybe won't let us do this, but hopefully Microsoft will provide us with an official way of removing the recommended section. The only issue with this script is that once you restart your computer, the recommended section will appear again. So a potential fix for that would be to run this script at startup. To do that, we're going to press the Windows plus R keys at the same time on our keyboard and then type in here shell startup and then press enter. And now we are in the startup location. You can just go and move this script to the startup, and now every time you open up your operating system, this script will automatically run and will remove your recommended section here. Of course, if you want to undo this and you want to have the recommended section again, go and delete the script from the startup folder and restart your computer, and the recommended section should be back again here. So as I've said, a huge shout out to this guy from Reddit. You're going to have his Reddit post link in the article down below where you'll find more info about how this was created, potential problems, and so on and so forth. I'm hoping this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.